Spotify is a music streaming application which allows for users to listen to any of the 30 million songs in its catalog. Because of its use of big data with its servers, Spotify has many additional features such as Discover Weekly and My Music Mix. In particular, Spotify's Discover Weekly page is one feature which takes advantage of Spotify's server's ability to store massive amounts of data. To create each user's Discover Weekly page, Spotify uses a two-part algorithm to create an individualized playlist. The first part of the algorithm involves examining the user's playlist data to model relationships and trends in music choice. The second part of the algorithm involves modeling behaviors of listeners based off listening habits and the features that the listeners use on Spotify. The algorithm then combines these two sets of data in order to recommend one of the 2 billion Spotify playlists of music that the listener would probably like but may have not heard. Discover Weekly is also unique due to the fact that it repeats this algorithm every week. Every Monday, a playlist that is different from the playlist from the previous week appears in each user's Discover Weekly page. Again, Spotify makes this possible through its server's ability to contain big data, which includes each user's search and listening data from the previous week. Not only does this demonstrate the power of big data for technical purposes, but it also illustrates the power that big data and Spotify has on our culture. New artists are now constantly gaining more attention with innovations such as the Discover Weekly page, and this usage of algorithms and big data has and will continue to influence the ever-changing music industry. The technical progress and change that Spotify has brought to discovering music is demonstrated every day through its billions of users, and Spotify has paved the way for computing and big data to shift the culture of music in a unique direction, and only time will tell where that direction takes the music industry.